This video is about how to add more fonts to Pixellab. Step 1. Visit fonts.google.com. So once you get to the website, the next thing to do is to create a search. So let me search for a font so that we'll download, then we input it into our Pixellab. So here is the Oswald font I searched for. So the next thing now is to click on it. This is how it will look like when you use it. Click on the last one here. Once you click on it, it will bring something like a link or import. So just click on download all. After a few minutes or seconds, it will download. Then you can now select it and then you proceed with the next step. Once it is download, open it. Now you have option for unzipping that file. So here I have phonies, which you must have downloaded already on your phone. So you just click on it, then it will open and then you unzip the file. Here is the font we downloaded. So you just click on unzip in front of it. It has unzipped like that. So you see 3 dots in front of it if you are using phonies. Just click on this and then you click on move to. After clicking on move to, you can now select either memory card or your phone memory. So I'm using my phone memory so that when I remove my memory card, it won't disrupt any activity on my Pixellab. Now you scroll. These are folders. You scroll to fonts. This is the folder for fonts. You click on fonts, then you click on confirm. So it has moved to that folder. You then click OK. Now you are done with it. You just need to exit your browser and your phonies. Now go to your Pixellab. Open the Pixellab app. So let's use this default text as a sample. Then the next thing is to go to where you have your font icon. Click on it. Fonts. Now you have 2 icons here. One for text, one for folder. You click the one for folder. Now you scroll to the folder where we move it to, which is fonts. Now you have a lot of fonts here already, but we are selecting the new one we've downloaded, and that's Oswald here. This is it. Click on it. It will bring static, which means other fonts under it. Then you add the directory. Once you add it, it will bring a whole font on your device. Here is it. All these ones are inside that one font. So you can now select anyone you want for it to be used. So click on, let's say, semi-bold. Then you click OK. You see, this is it. And that's how to import any font. So you repeat this step for all the fonts you want to import into Pixellab.